Dilution. What is it? Why should you do it? How do you do it? Are all questions that you are going to know the answer to by the end of this video. Stick around to the end of this section. I'm going to be showing you guys one simple trick on how to do all this using only one bottle. We're going to start off with the first question, which is, what is even a dilution ratio? What the hell is that? Like, what the Look at this. What does that mean? 3 to 1, 4 to 1, 1 to 6, 7 to 1? Now, a dilution ratio is a way to express how much of a concentrated substance is diluted with a diluting agent like water. It's commonly written in the form of X to Y. Second question, why should you dilute your products? The answer to your question is to make the product less powerful and/or to stretch your product. That way you get the best bang for your buck. And now for the how. So today we're going to show you guys how to dilute your products. We're going to be using our Diablo Wheel Cleaner Gel as an example for today. For all you visual learners, our Diablo Wheel Cleaner Gel has a dilution ratio of 3 to 1. So that basically means for every 3 parts of water, you're going to have 1 part of chemical. So in this bottle right here, it's completely empty. What we're going to do right now is we're going to pour some Diablo Wheel Cleaner into there. But before we do so, we have to figure out how much Diablo we're going to be pouring into that bottle. So since we're going to be diluting in a 32-ounce sprayer bottle today, we're going to go ahead and do the math. We're going to divide this by 4. So we have 32 ounces divided by 4, which the answer is 8. That basically tells you that we're going to put 24 ounces of water to 8 ounces of Diablo Wheel Cleaner Gel into this one very bottle. So since we already have these measured at 8 ounces, what we're going to do right now is we're going to pour 8 ounces of Diablo Wheel Cleaner Gel into this one bottle. We're going to dump it into the bottle, and then we're going to mix the rest of the water into it, and that's about it. So we're going to open up the spout, and we're going to pour about 8 ounces into here. On the back of this bottle, we list measurements so you know exactly where the 8-ounce mark is. So now that we have that filled up, all we have to do now is basically fill it up into our 32-ounce bottle and then dump the rest of the water bottles in there as well. So we're going to grab the bottle, and we're just going to simply dump it in. And just to make sure that we get out every ounce of Diablo Wheel Cleaner, what we're going to do now is we're going to pour our bottle in this one. And we're just going to simply mix it around. That way we get all the product out of the bottle. That way we don't waste it. So we're going to dump it out now. Keep in mind, this is the water mixed with the Diablo. So it is going to be coming out a little bit pink. And we're going to repeat this process for the other 2 bottles. So the foam. And that's how easy it is to dilute your favorite chemical guys product, or more specifically, Diablo Wheel Cleaner Gel. But keep this in mind, guys, a multitude of our products actually have dilution ratios on the back and the directions. So if you ever have a question, simply go ahead and read the directions on the back. Perfect example like this one, our Bug and Tar Remover Wash has a dilution ratio of 6 to 1. And then we also have products like our Fabric Clean, which have even further dilutions. This one actually goes up to a 20 to 1 ratio. And we have dilution ratios that go up to a 40 to 1 with our Signature Series Orange Degreaser. So now that you have the knowledge of how to dilute properly, just to make your life easier, when it comes to our Chemical Guys bottles, we actually have a measurement bar to make your life much easier. So as you can see, you have a full range of dilution ratios on this bottle, starting from 1 to 1 and all the way up to 20 to 1 ratio. So all you have to do is fill up your product to whatever ratio you want and then fill up the rest with water.
Taking a lot of math, but we didn't.
But you don't have a scientific calculator like I do.
No, and we didn't do demos about ratios.
All right, guys. Now this right here is Emily. I just explained it to you guys on how to dilute our Diablo Wheel Cleaner Gel, and now I'm going to see if I can teach Emily to dilute our Bug and Tar Remover, which is a 6 to 1 ratio. So we have a 32-ounce bottle. There's 7 parts total, so I guess we're going to have to start off with 32 divided by 7, right?
Yes.
All right. And don't disagree with me because I'm telling you. Just feel free to call me in. All right, so we have the answer of 4.5 ounces per dividend.
Per 32-ounce jug.
So basically, I think what we're going to have to start off, Emily, is we're going to have to grab our Bug and Tar Remover Wash. We'll grab one of these. That's your 5-ounce line.
Yeah.
So basically what you're going to want to do is fill up the Bug and Tar Remover Wash just about right before that 5-ounce line.
Okay.
All right.
Got it.
Can you handle that?
I think so.
All right.
Do I have to shake it?
Sure. Oh, it has a cap.
Does it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Here, let me take it off.
It's tricky.
Oh. All right. So yeah, go ahead and fill that up. 4.5 per dividend, so basically the rest of it, it's 6, so we multiply 4.5 times 6, which gives us a 27.5.
Okay.
So in other words, basically we just have to fill up one of these cups to about 27.5. Faster. Okay, slow. Slow down.
Wow.
Yeah, if you have a funnel, make sure to use it.
Oh, I'm nervous.
Slow and easy, all right? Slow and easy. I'm scared. I'm scared for you because you're your white jacket. All right, cool. I'll let you do the honors. Just go ahead and put that spray nozzle on there, tighten it up, and then shake it. And now you're ready to clean some bugs off of your 𝘃𝗃.
Sweet.
All right. I think I did it.
Cool.
One more person.
Should we bring in Jerry?
We should bring in Jerry.
All right.
Should I now teach Jerry?
Yes.
Okay.
All right.
Am I really gonna do this?
Yeah. All right. Well, look, Emily's gonna teach you how to dilute.
No, it's okay.
I'm gonna step off because I taught her, and now she's gonna teach you.
Yeah.
We just all watched Joey teach us about dilution ratios, so now I'm going to teach Jerry about diluting fabric clean, which, according to the instructions, you can dilute 20:1 for general purpose cleaning or 8:1 for extra dirty areas. So, because we have a 32-ounce bottle, and I want to make it easy for you,
Okay.
because I'm kind, we are going to do 15:1.
15:1. Okay.
So how many ounces of this will there be?
And how much?
32 ounces.
3.
No, it's
Yeah,
2,
good point.
but you were close.
It's 2 point something.
No, it's like straight up just 2.
What? 15:1.
That's 16 total parts.
Oh, oh man. Thank God I have Emily here to teach me.
Okay. That is
I'm
for
doing
you.
this? Okay.
So you're going to put 2 ounces in here.
Oh, this is television.
Okay, now water goes into this one. And if you
Into
put
this
2
one?
ounces in this one, how many ounces of water do you put in that one?
It's 28.
No, this is 32 ounces.
Oh, 32. Okay, then 30.
Nice. Nice.
I'm smart, guys.
Stop. Okay. Wow.
Spot on.
Now, you add them to your dilution bottle.
This into this.
Yes. Don't spill. No, stop! Stop! It's full. It's stop.
No, it's 30:1.
It's not 30:1.
Oh, it's 20. 15:1. 15:1.
It's dripping off the table.
Don't worry, guys. All right, now we're ready to clean.
Now you need to clean this off and put that in it. And that is how to dilute fabric clean 15:1.
All right, guys, and that's going to wrap it up here. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a huge like, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and please make sure to give a huge shout out to Emily and Jerry down in the chat below. If you guys want to see them in more videos, let us know. As always, my name is Joey, this is Jerry, this is Emily. We'll see you guys next time. Oh, you're supposed to walk out.
Oh. Oh my goodness.
Guys, this is very awkward.